Hello, hello! Is this thing working? Okay, it does work. Now I see it. Wow, that's some latency. Okay, we're gonna work with that, I guess. Um, Hi. uh, Drop in the chat if you're here from the Instagram from my Instagram. So at least I know who I'm gonna be talking to. Um, Also, let me know if the sound is okay, if you see stuff, if you see me, if you hear me, if the Spotify is not too loud. And yeah, just chat away, I guess. Um, Main thing why, so a part of why this is live now, for checking like the whole setup and everything. I also wanted to do code along videos that are gonna be live because I have done some videos before. So Clone UIs I've done 2 so far, but it has been quite time consuming to record, then edit, then kind of like go through it again, then refine it, then upload it, and blah blah blah. So I decided, why not make it in a way that we can all kind of like gather together. Is that a word? Yeah, probably, right? Gather together. Um, be live. Well, I'm gonna be live, you're gonna be behind the screen or whatever, and kind of code where we can see how things go in the live mode, which I guess people can benefit from that too. Um, it's very strange to be talking to a camera knowing that there is somebody watching it live. I need to get used to that. Um, what was I saying? Right, so code alongs. Um, I think we can all benefit from doing it live. Also, myself being kind of like less judgmental of myself, I would say, in the way I code and just like go with the flow. As I said a lot in the previous video I recorded. So, yeah, that's what we're doing. Um, and I don't know if anybody's gonna join now. I didn't really announce it, and I don't even know if people are interested in that. But I thought to maybe prepare some materials for the next code along. So, previously we did YouTube and Netflix, and we're doing code alongs of websites. I'm a web developer, and that's what we're doing, websites. It's mostly aimed at beginners to kind of like get to know HTML, CSS, different frameworks, libraries. So maybe not everybody wants to just clone websites. And I also said in the YouTube clone UI that I want to try out using the grid, because I think I'm really not using it. I'm not using it at all, and I think I could be using it way more. And maybe it can be also nice to show the process of going through the challenges of getting to know something new or figuring things out. So anyway, grid, clone UIs, let's check maybe Dribbble has something interesting that we can take as a reference and clone that instead of like cloning a whole website. Even though we were not even cloning the whole website, we were just cloning like one page of it. A website is way more complex than just one page. So this time we can actually isolate to, I don't know, maybe just like a specific little UI or a little dashboard or something like that. So I think you see my Dribbble, right? Yeah, I don't really use Dribbble that much. I think I just scroll in the spaces of the internet, and whenever I find something that is interesting, I just kind of like note it, and then later on, if I need to create like a new website or a project, then I come back to it. But Dribbble is a really nice place or resource where you can find a lot of actual designers and UI UX professionals who are putting their work here. So might be a little bit better than just me scratching in a website, because I'm not that's not what I do. So let's give this work to the professionals. So yeah, you can go to Dribbble or you can stay with me on Dribbble, and they have like categories here, and one of them is web design, and I think that's what we need. So let's go. If we want to try out Grid, I mean, let's just keep that in mind that we want to try out Grid. Like this one is interesting. So it has kind of like a website structure. Well, probably they all will have because it's a web design category. Okay. So it has a navbar, several links, and like a call to action, has like a banner or a hero banner. How did Netflix call it? Billboard. Yeah, but Netflix is quite specific. They do their own stuff. And then it has some stats here. So I mean, yeah, it could be a grid, but I think, I mean, maybe as a starter for a grid, this could be good. But I think we will max out our options here quite fast. But can I like it? I can, right? Just keep it for later. What else do we have? Ooh, this one. This one looks very good for grid. So you see that, right? Yeah. Okay. So you see, this is the concept that grid is kind of like. It's a grid, and this one is very visually a grid, but maybe that can be too obvious. I was thinking more about maybe dashboards like this one, but maybe something more cute. Yeah, I'm just checking if we're still seeing everything. This is so awkward, but it's fun. It's fun. We're gonna have fun. If you're here, if you're watching, say hi. Hello. Have you seen this reel or this TikTok where there is like this little boy who is like, hi, hi. Very polite and nice, so let's all be that little boy. What else? Maybe the category web design is not what we need. Should we go and search for another one? What if we search for, well, product design is actually a product, right? Maybe not. Maybe that's not the product I thought. I thought this would be like more of a design of this kind of stuff, you know, so like an actual product and not, oh, in Russian. All right. So this is what I was thinking more about, this cryptocurrency. A very hot topic right now, so we could do that. What do you say? And it has a lot of, so there would be like a side navigation. These are the colors, or can I choose? Okay, so side navigation, then there would be like one section, another section, and a third section. And then inside of each section, we could practice the grid as well. So this, for example, totally grid, right? This one too. Okay, I like this one. This can be a very good potential next Clone UI. Also, let me know if you're up for coding live together. I mean, I know a video you can stop and or speed up or slow down, but I think also when it's live, then you can ask questions and be like, hey, hold on, like, what's that? Because maybe I skipped a topic or thought that some stuff are clear due to my own bubble. Because also, like, after you gain some experience, it's hard to, not hard, but a little bit harder to come back to like the place where you were before, where you didn't know stuff, and kind of like, hey, wait a second. If you don't know those terms, then you would not understand what this and this means. So I think that in a live environment, it's much easier to control where the whole video goes or the whole code along. So yeah. Hey, how you doing? Mirzohit, is that right? What is up? We are just checking what to clone UI next using Grid. Oh, this is nice. By the way, do you hear my Spotify? It's like a chill lo-fi? Lo-fi? I don't know. Something royalty free. Wait, I think there was like a release from, where was it from? Is it Riot Games? I don't remember, but there is like this big gaming company that has released recently, a massive playlist that you can use for, most likely I assume, like gaming streams, but we can use that too. So, ooh, yeah, another dashboard. Again, crypto. Oh, okay, that's the same person. So this can be like a next step, I guess. We could actually make a big project out of it. And we will definitely tag this person to say, hey, thanks, we used your design. So let's like it as well. What's this one? This is a real dashboard. I mean, everything is a real dashboard. I sometimes find it hard when there is like so much white space and no borders, and the contrast is just like in these little. Do you see my cursor? You don't see my cursor. So you see the. Now I'll need to use proper English terms if you don't see my cursor. So you see those slots, those time slots, that they're kind of like, so it's a calendar, right? And yeah, calendar. And those time slots, and they're like very vivid and they're very out there. But the rest of the thing is very blank. And I assume that it's done in order for you as a user to concentrate on your timetable, on your schedule, which is why you have this product, I guess. But also, like, in terms of usability, I don't know. I just feel like it's very there, and I cannot like focus my eyes on the navbar or something. I don't know. Do you know what I mean? Do you feel the same? That's not entirely my style. So what else? Well, another cryptos. What a surprise. No, we're not gonna do cryptos. I mean, okay, if we're gonna do cryptos, it's gonna be from the first one there. but let's find something else. What are those, like, we see tons of mockup templates. What is it? Mockup templates. You probably need to go to their website. No, we're not gonna be leaving Dribbble. We're gonna find everything here. Ooh, what's this? Bank dashboard. We didn't go too far from the crypto, but that's fine. So, yeah, but you see, it's kind of like the same style again. It's this, like, yeah, okay, I see how much money goes in, how much goes out, and I see this like very scary graphs of like red stuff. But like, if I need to do anything here, I don't know. Is it just me? Not a fan. So, what is that? CRM platform chat. Ooh, I actually built a chat before. It was not as easy. It apparently has many, many, many things to consider. But that one's better. I mean, you see, comparing to the things that we saw before, like there is at least some contrast here. And again, like I'm not taking like to, I'm not gonna start like judging designs because I'm not a designer. I don't know. But in a perspective of a user, I can express my opinion, and I do prefer this one a little bit more than the previous ones that we saw, because at least like the text has some dominance. Is that the word? Yeah. We could build a chat. We could also build WhatsApp or Telegram or one of those platforms or apps. So like their web apps as a clone UI can also be an option. This one. So what else? Neumorphism. I actually built a website fully in neumorphism. That was a little bit challenging, but it looked nice. Looked very nice. If you're interested, it's called Learn by Ear, as in like learn by ear, and yeah, you can check it out. It's for musicians or actually anybody who wants to improve their earring. I think that's how it's called. Yeah, I built it together with my partner. He's a musician, so he knows more about that. I can tell you about the dev part of that. Don't ask me about the music part. This one, I mean, the colors are nice, but no. What is this? So it's kind of like in the website. It says, here is what we're doing. What's that? User rights. Okay, maybe we need another category again. Oh wait, what is that? This is again like a full-blown website. I mean, we are doing websites as web developers, but maybe we're gonna find something in branding. Let's check. Yeah, you see, this is more what I'm searching for. I'm searching for like this little part. I think that mockups like that gives me more inspiration to build something because I see like the different items that can be there, how they're gonna look together or separately, or how to combine them. So yeah. And I guess that was all for this category. Mobile? We could do also like a mobile first design. That can also be fun to do. But I feel like there are many people doing now designs with Flutter. What else? Like Swift, Kotlin. Although those I haven't seen. So React Native and Flutter. Um, yeah, something like that. This is what I wanted. I guess it would be too much to ask to have a mobile design as well as a desktop design, right? Because then it's kind of like this designer worked for free. Completely understandable. So that one's cute. See, I want something cute. I don't want something like too dark or too harsh. I want something like flowy, nice, pleasant to the eye. Maybe it's also pleasant only for my eye. That's also an option. But we will see. Come on, dashboard. Okay, what is this dashboard? Staff attendance tracking. Ooh. All right. This can be cool. And it can be cool because it's like something different. Not sure I would want to have this as an employee, but I don't know. Maybe it's like a delivery service or something. Although this is financial analyst. Why would you track them? I don't know. But oh well. I like this design. We could do something fun with these circles. There is actually a lot to learn when you want to do SVG progress bars. I guess I should explain why SVG and why progress bar is this. So you know a progress bar is like when it's just like a line and it's a progress bar. So this one can be like a curved progress bar, and the way you fill it up is with SVG fills. And it's not as easy as it seems. I did it also for my personal website, and yeah, that was quite a challenge. I found though a very good article on CodePen by one person who did it, and they explained it very detailed, very nicely, and I think only because of that I was able to do it. But yeah, I think it's something nice to practice, because after you do that you learn to appreciate kind of like how much time and effort goes into actually making a tiny thing like a progress bar. And I don't even know about like this cutting. You don't see my mouse. I don't know about like this. So you see the blue circle, and then there is this cut between the blue and the gray. So this one I'm not sure. But we could do it just like as a progress without the cuts. That can be possible. But I'm afraid if we're gonna do that live, that's gonna take me like an hour. Really, I'm not joking. Like these things take a while, especially if you're not used to doing that. And I'm not that used to not used to working with SVGs and doing this kind of stuff. So it's gonna take a while. But then again, I would take you on a journey. How long these things take, if you're interested. I'm gonna like this one because I think it's a cool one, and we can spice things up a bit with that dash. What is this one? Let's see, what's this? Flower Shop app. Yeah, but that's like very mobile specific with all the touch points and like gestures. Ooh, what's that? Real estate management dashboard. Not interested. Sorry. So, what else? Hello, if you're there, say hi. I'm just trying to search what to do next as a Clone UI live next time I go live. If you also have any suggestions, by all means, drop them in the chat or let me know on Instagram because I'm always here for suggestions. Oh, it's this one. Summary page. Oof, it's again those cryptos. I feel like the internet is like full now of cryptos, which is like understandable. But I mean, there are also tons of other things. Let's not forget about that. Cryptocurrency dashboards. I mean, I guess if you create like a very good app, you can really secure your life. What else? Okay, I think we got everything out of this category. What about print? Nah, print is not ours. Let's go to all. What if we do inspiration? Is inspiration? Oh, this one is nice. No. Not this topic. So where's the inspiration, huh? Everything is hidden? No, inspiration category. Well, inspiration and web design. No, but we have been there. What about this one? Web header. Yeah, that's not our goal. So what if we go inspiration? I brought you to Dribbble, but it looks like I myself don't know how to use Dribbble properly yet. So no, not here. New and newer, noteworthy. Oh, this one's cute. Not because of the colors, but because of this part. This my style. Oh, crypto wallet app, of course. Should have known. File manager app. Okay. I would actually love to learn like how to do like there are so many micro design thingies here that yeah, I don't think it's often time being considered, especially not on bigger websites because you probably I guess it depends how mature your business is and how many products you have on the page, how many users you have, how many eyes and so on and so forth. But if you create something minimalistic like this, well, probably for a file manager app is fine. And you can like really focus on those little things. Also depends how big your team is. Team. Sometimes the words just pronounce themselves how they want. Hello, Claudio. How are you? What's going on? I think there is a big latency, so it's not like live. It's latency live. But hey, first time streaming. we gotta learn from somewhere. I'm gonna watch some videos about it, but so far I think it's okay. I got used to talking to myself and waiting for somebody from the other side. I have like a warning here. Oh no, that's notifications. Okay, it's fine. As long as you can hear me, as long as you can see me and the dribble, we're good. Ooh. Yeah, but I already did weather apps. By the way, if you want to do weather apps, I have 2 videos about it. One in React and one in jQuery. Which like really surprisingly, jQuery is the most popular one. Didn't expect that. I thought people are more into React. Maybe because the video was uploaded later. That's why. I think it's getting quite boring already. I don't see anything inspiring here anymore. So what's that? Wait, what's that? Maths learning. Well, that's nice. Waiting to see something from me. Well, I did upload just now a video. There is a YouTube clone UI. Is that your jam? Or what are you waiting to see? I'm looking for dashboards now, like to clone next. Or you're already done with those, that's what you're waiting for next. If so, then you're a champ, really. Wait, okay, so I actually like this math school. I like the idea of math school. I really want to learn math also, because, yeah, that's a whole other debate, but I need to learn math. Not because I need it, but I want to. Yeah. Maybe that can be also a fun series of let's learn math together and see where math and web development overlaps, intersect. Yeah. Okay, so far we have can I watch the ones that I liked? Yeah, here are my likes. So far we have this one, the awareness app. Very simple, but can be a good starting point. Then we have our cryptocurrency dashboard UI. Also not bad. Quite complex, but I feel like we can explore the possibilities of grid a lot here. Then it's another version of this cryptocurrency dashboard. What do we have next? What? I didn't know about your YouTube clone. You can have a look at my clone as well. Oh, okay. Cool. So yeah, we have now the CRM platform chat, which it's not on top of my list. Then we have this one, the tracking system. That one's not bad, right? But I feel like this is more like a table rather than grid. So this can be like a separate topic of just like exploring how to build a dash, but maybe not necessarily in grid, because so like there would be like the first row where you have the person and the stats is going to be probably just regular flex or columns even. I don't know if we want to use any libraries or frameworks for that. And then it's just going to be a table. So it can be still good to practice, but maybe not for grid. So what else? And then we have the Math Online School. I mean, apart from the topic, I don't think this is like grid related. But we do have an overview here of the whole school, how it looks like, or the whole website of the school. Wait, let's go to Behance. What does Behance have? Discover. Ooh, that's a lot of things. I'm not gonna go through that now. But so what do you say if next time we meet, it's gonna be to make which one? This one or this one? Or this one or this one? Because we want to do it with grid. But we also don't want to overwhelm ourselves. What was that? See, this is how sometimes I talk. I just like, what I was saying is that we don't want to overwhelm ourselves. And I feel like this one can be a good starting point. So I would do it in Flex, but in Flexbox, but I would have to resist myself and do it in grid. I could sketch it further, like to take the inspiration from this one and continue like further down, because precautions, where are the precautions gonna be? Oh, there are more. Okay, cool. So wait a second. This is one page. This is another page. Yeah, but this is what we saw here as well, right? But where are those precautions? Where do they... Is it like a separate route on the website? Because on the navbar, there is only overview, statistics, symptoms, prevention. Are precautions maybe like further down the line? But okay, it can be quite a simple website where we can work, we can create a map. I mean, I'm not gonna create a map, we're just gonna download an image and use it. Nobody's creating a map. But we could put the dots on it somehow, right? I know one colleague of mine did something like that, but I have no idea how to do that. There was this one thing in my boot camp that my teacher was trying to show us, but we all thought that it was like so old school that didn't need to like be noted clearly. That's why I don't know about it now. But yeah, maybe this can be something something to work with. What do you say? I think we're gonna start with this app, web app. Plus it's the hottest topic of the last 1.5 years, so why not? And then once we practice this one, we could go and do the cryptocurrency dashboard UI. Because I think if we would just jump straight away from the grid, like from wanting to learn grid and straight away jumping into this, that's gonna be a long stream. And no, we need to go step by step. So first this, and the second one is gonna be this. Agree? Agree. What does this do? Does this do something? Oh, okay. Never mind. That's me just not knowing how Dribble works. Cool. And this person also has... No, that's probably a pro, right? This is my website, freebies. Okay, I mean, we just need the mockup and we'll figure out things by ourselves. And how do I go back? Yep. And this one, what information do we have? Not much. Okay, we can check later on this website of the person, the Nickel Fox, and see how that one works and if there is some more information there that we can use. So yeah. Also, the website looks pretty nice. The illustrations are really cute. I would need to find if we can use those for copyright reasons, but I guess we can work something out. If not this, then there are probably tons of other illustrations right now available that are related to this topic, because everybody wants or needs to create like governmental websites with that, some apps with that, so it makes sense to create those. Okay, if you have joined the stream, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. It was a little bit nervous in the beginning, but now it's all right. And if you enjoyed it, let me know here or on my Instagram. It's also DanaScript. I think with 2 underscores, underscore DanaScript underscore. But yeah, in general, in all the platforms, I'm DanaScript. And thanks for joining. Have a good evening, night, morning, wherever you are. Stay safe and see you next time. Bye.